It's your man TK coming up on another recording. Uh, you watched the first one. This is the part two of my STAAD Pro series. This one has to do with the analysis of the structure I created in the first video. So basically, I'll walk you guys through the process of adding supports, adding load combinations, and then analysis of the beam. We'll go to the I'll see how far I can go for this video, but hopefully the video will be less than 10 minutes. So I think we should just go right into it now. So this was the structure we created earlier, and I won't talk much in this video, so you probably want to fast forward or rewind or do whatever and get the most out of it. So let's go. Okay, just to clear something, for multiple selections, you want to hold control and select all the beams, or you can do that easily by switching to another view and then just selecting everything together like that. So that's what I did if you're asking. If you want to change the units, maybe to mm or cm or whatever, just hold F2, press F2 for unit converter, and then you see this. Then you can just follow the steps, and you'll see you can switch it to whatever you want. So, but for now we're in meters, so that's it. First thing you want to do is to create the support, and you can choose any of them here. We're going with fixed on this one, so you can assign to view, assign to use cursor to assign, or assign to selected nodes, but you want to select the nodes first before you assign selected nodes. So and you see that, and you click assign, then assign, see them here. You can select all the other options and see what they do, but it's pretty much do about the same thing except this one here. So next is our load definition. So what I want to do now is create dead live load. We're not working with wing loads for this one, so just select dead load here, name it whatever you want, just so that you remember what it is. So we're adding dead load and we're adding live load on this one. Cool. So I want to define combinations or use auto load combinations. Most times I go with auto load combinations if the code is here, but if not, let's say you're working with Euro code and you can't see the Euro code here in mine. I don't know why, but it's not there. You can define combinations, and maybe you should do that for today. So you could just name it whatever you want. You select the factor, let's say 1.35 for dead load, yeah, and then for live load 1.5, and then add it. Or let's say we're working with American code ACI, or let's say BS8110, we'll just generate loads and then everything appears here and click RDC. Oh yeah, so let's just leave it all like that. So all I want to do now is to apply the load onto the beams. So for this one, we're not working with slabs. In my other videos I'll work with slabs, but this one no. You want to choose global Y, but you can check to see what the others will do. So add there. We're adding self weights to the dead load. What we want to do is add self weight to all the members. So you just click self weights and assign to view. And for the live load, just click add right there. So for the live load, we want to select the beams that will but let me change it to UDL. So you can just edit that or just delete it. See right there. Don't mind that the all arrows are long and stuff. It will reduce later on, but don't mind that for now. Okay, so we're good to go. So now to cap it up, I'll just show you guys a few other stuff you can do. If you right click and click 3D rendering, you can see the rendered shape out here. So this is a more I don't know, beautiful view. So it's alright. So just close that. You can go to structure diagrams. You can either view the full section or the section outline. Let's just see what that does. You see right here, section outline, just an outline. So let's leave it as none for now. I'll click OK. You really want to play around with all this stuff here. My video is going to exceed 10 minutes, but I'll see what I can do to shorten that. So you know, you can display the node numbers in this node part here, the member number, properties, beam number. If I click that, you see what happens. This beam 1, beam 3, beam 5, and others. So you know, just to reduce ambiguity, we just unselect that one and click apply and click OK. So just once again, right click, check structure diagrams. You see all these will come up. So you can scale it up, you can do different things and make your stuff very nice. So now to the analysis of the structure, we'll just click analysis here. So what we want to do is get different types of analysis, but for this one we're just using the basic one. It's a P delta analysis, cable analysis and stuff, but it's not for this video. So just click all, add, so this shows up here, close and analyze. Yeah, hopefully you won't see any errors when you're done. If you see any errors, you probably want to go back and check, maybe you've done something wrong, and then you can select any of this, go to post processing mode, click done, click apply, click OK. Then here this is where the analysis then really kick in. See, you can see the moment about Z. So you can alter this view by either clicking this one or click that, you see. So see that, see right there and stuff. So truthfully I don't know what the heck this is, but just don't click that. So this is shear force and Y, shear force and Z. You can alter the scales. Maybe you feel that it's too big or something, by going back to structure diagrams and editing the scales. You can see the bending in Y, Z, shear and stuff. So you can change this to 1000, apply. You see, oh sorry, bending in Z, because this is bending in Z right now. We are apply. You can see what changes. We're changing to 10, apply. You see all that. So just like that's 100. Okay, so click OK. So we can view the beam stresses, or I'll cover the rest part of the analysis in my third video before I do the design part. Thank you and God bless you. Third video.